Hey there, Susan Gast here from Susan Gast Creates. Thank you so much for downloading my freebie Pinterest prompt for creating great titles and descriptions. So I thought, well, I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm scrolling down from the PDF that you've received and I'm going to copy that, okay? Copy it. We're going to go into ChatGPT and I'm going to paste that in. Okay, so now we have to fix these areas. So my niche is going to be chicken recipes. They're looking for a quick, easy, juicy chicken recipe. And the product is the 1-10-10 chicken. I want it to be warm and helpful, okay? Warm and helpful. The keywords I got from my PinClicks account. I typed in chicken recipe, the interests, and I saw easy chicken recipe. So I clicked on that and then this came up. These are called the annotations, related interests, and they're excellent top level keywords they're associated with easy chicken recipe. So I copied them and I pasted them here. I did take out some that weren't appropriate and I added juicy chicken recipes, right? So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to head back to here. I don't need that now. I'm going to move that over here out of the way. So we're going to go back to chat and my keywords are going here, and you'll notice I am removing everything, even the square brackets. All right, and we'll let ChatGPT work on it. And he is going to come up now, he or she is going to come up with 5 scroll stopping Pinterest titles. So let me know if you'd like a few with funny or a nostalgic twist to it. Okay, so now then I have to pick one, right? Juicy 10-10 chicken you'll make on repeat. True, actually. Yes, I'm going to actually pick that because it's so true. So I'm going to paste this just here in this little txt file and I don't lose it, because now I've got to go back to the prompt here and we're going to get the description now. Sorry, that's the AI specific notes, and here's what we need next is that part. Move it out the way and paste the prompt there, and then I'm going to go and grab just the words juicy 1-10-10. That's going to be the selected title. That's all we need. Oh sorry, calm. I want it to be friendly, enthusiastic, right? Because honestly, after I made this chicken from my friend Linda, it was the juiciest chicken I'd ever had in my life. And so I said to Chatty, for busy content creators, it's a great recipe just to they can make it while they're still working on the laptop. So here we go, here's the description. I can pick either one of them, or you can, don't forget, you can use the other pin titles it created and mix them up, but of course use different images. Yeah, let's use this description. I kind of like that, so I'm just going to plonk that down here. Then I've also got that for reference. Okay, so that is how you create prompts for your title and your description. And that, my friends, is how quickly you can make Pinterest pin titles and descriptions with my free prompt as a gift to you. Thank you for watching. Chat later.